Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 29 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the second one in the Masqueology Color Shine Peel Off mask, and it is the purple one. This is actually the second time I am filming the beginning half of this video. I had it filmed already and I was going back to edit the footage last night, and the first half of this video is gone. It wasn't filmed. I guess I didn't push play or record or something like that, so it's just not even there, because there's the end of the gold one and then the end of the purple one, and the numbers are corresponding to, you know, the numbers are correct. It's just there's just no video there. It's gone. So I ran to Walmart today and I picked this up again, so we're going to do the beginning half of the purple video, and I will keep in the original end half of this video because that would be my first impression of taking it off, but I am going to reapply it again for you so you can see how the application process looks, even though it's not much different than these two. The gold one is up already, the silver one will be up tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to do the first half of the purple video again here for you. And just to kind of go over again, the gold one is for fine lines and wrinkles, the purple one is for dryness, and the silver one is for dark spots and dullness. So we're doing the purple one and it's for dryness. It says the purple peel off mask is designed to hydrate the skin by locking in moisture to keep the skin feeling younger and softer. Directions say to apply a thin, even layer over the entire face, avoiding the eyebrow and hairline. Once again, that should say eyebrows and hairline. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes until completely dry and peel off. The key ingredients on the purple one are blueberry fruit extract, kaolin, and sodium hydrogenate. I think I'm pronouncing those correctly. So, and the other one, the other packet that I had, I was trying to like keep it all nice in one piece, but I really don't need to do that anymore now. They do make it so it's perforated, so you can just like tear these apart. So the first one is the gold, then you got the purple, and the silver. So we're just going to do the purple today, and I'll just keep the other two for some other time to use again. I got a little container here and then an applicator brush to use. When you watch tomorrow's video, you'll see the brush that I used to use had to get tossed because the bristles are starting to come apart. And then too, this purple mask, it smells like the blueberry that is in it, and it reminds me a lot of the Glam Glow. Now the Glam Glow is a little bit stronger. That's not necessarily bad. I really like the smell of the Glam Glow one, that silver peel off, but this reminds me of that. And when I did this purple one yesterday, it's just like the gold one. I just don't feel like they give you a lot of product. I wish they gave you just a little bit more. So that's how much you get in there. You can see it on the side. I did spray a little bit of, I wouldn't call it setting spray, but just like facial spray on my skin, this coconut water stuff that I got, just because my skin has been feeling really dry. I did 3 of these masks yesterday because I am pre-filming right now, since I will be gone when this is actually going up. So yeah, my skin is like dying right now. I'm sorry if you can hear my laundry right now. So I feel like there's even less product in this one. It might be possible that this brush is just a little bit more, I think the right word is dense. I don't know if that's the right word or not, than my other brush, and it probably soaked up a lot more product than the other brush I was using, because yesterday when I did this purple mask, I got it a lot more further along the outside. I don't think I can move it any more than it is right now. I'll try. Yeah, I really just wish that they gave you more product. Yeah, I don't feel like I can get it out any further without, you know, just dragging my skin here. So yeah, that's about as far around my side of my face that I'm going to be able to get it to go. When I come back to peel it off, it will be different looking, because I think I got it out a lot further than that, and just like the different spots of where it's kind of built up will be different. I'm not going to refilm that again because I want my original reaction to be in there, not like another filmed reaction. So you'll see my original reaction when we come back. But I know I mentioned it in the gold one if you haven't watched that one yet, but I kind of feel like maybe this mask is supposed to be more of a multi-mask kind of thing, where you just put whichever benefit you're looking for in that spot. So, you know, you might have gold up here and the purple here and silver down here or something like that. You can certainly do that with it and it'll go a lot further, but I guess I just wanted to do all one color. So there's just really not enough product in here. I pretty much got all I can get out of there. There's just nothing really left. So we're gonna go let this set for 20 minutes. I will let this set for 20 minutes, or actually it's 30 minutes. Let this set for 30 minutes and peel it off. But when I come back, like I said, you'll be seeing the original reaction. So we'll see you in a couple seconds. Alright, so we are back. It has been the 30 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and take this off so we can talk easier. Oh, that hurts. Ooh. Alright, so here is the mask. I'm not gonna lie, that hurt a little bit more than the gold one hurt that we did yesterday, which is actually today. So that might be why, because I'm doing them back to back. Might have to hydrate between the next one. I'm going to use a face wipe. I don't see a lot of residue left on my skin, but there is a little bit like over here. Alright, so this mask claims that it helps with dryness. Infused with blueberry and hyaluronic acid, the peel-off face mask is designed to keep the skin hydrated, locking in moisture into the skin. I'm going to say no to that. I definitely feel like you would still need a moisturizer afterwards. This couldn't just be like a one step and done. You'd still need to apply moisturizer. I mean, this is something that you're ripping off your face, so technically it's taking skin cells with it, like the dry skin cells. So you're going to need something to replace that removal of those skin cells, some type of hydration back into your skin. So I'm going to say no to that. But it was still really cool, and you know, it's the same thing with the first one. I didn't believe that the gold one helped with fine lines either, but it was still fun. I do wish that they would give you more product in here, just a little bit more, not a lot, but just a little bit more so you can complete your face. But I do think it's really neat that it comes with 3 different ones, so you get 3 uses out of it, and I think it's a lot of fun. So other than the fact that I don't think it helps with dryness, I did enjoy the mask. It hurt a little bit more to peel off than the gold one, but not as bad as the color changing one we did earlier this month. That one really hurt. I've never had a peel off mask that hurt as much as that one. So yeah, that's everything for this video. If you've tried this out yet, or if you're going to go pick it up, please comment down below. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video where we will be doing the silver one, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody!